Hello YouTube. This is going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to try a long form and see what happens. This is a Husqvarna lawnmower that I'm fixing up. The model number you can see there, 961-045-002600. This one came to me because whoever had it last, they lost this spring, which I don't know if you can see there, which connects the governor arm to the throttle linkage, so it wasn't spooling up. And the other thing was that the cutoff switch wasn't working, so that had to be fixed. So it was basically grounding out, so you could never get it to start. So what I've done with this one, here's a blade for it. I have sharpened the blade, one side, other side, and while at it, I've made sure that it's nice and balanced, so you can see that here. It's balanced pretty well. All right, so let's go ahead and throw that back in the engine. I know that this motor turns, well, in this direction, counterclockwise, so that means that the sharp side needs to be facing that direction as well. Off camera, I did already put never seize on this bolt, so when whoever comes to change the bolt next time, they shouldn't have a whole lot of issue. I am being safe. I did already disconnect the spark plug because I like having my fingers. Okay, and that's good enough. Okay. So I'm going to take that out. Now I did already start draining the oil before I left for the day. So it is going to get an oil change. And I will do this part on camera, but suffice to say, here's the old oil. Seen better days, been in there for a while, so I'm going to put the new oil in there and come back to you. Okay, so we have filled up the oil. You can see right there, I had it. It is perfectly filled up to the top line. Dripped a little bit. I should also mention that I used SAE 30, which is what's recommended by Briggs Stratton, which is of course the brand that this engine is. All right, so now that we are ready to go, let's wheel this out to the yard and start using it. Okay, so this is our same Husqvarna that I worked on with the blade and changing the oil. So now I'm going to show you how it runs. This is a four-wheel drive Husqvarna. The engine's cold. I'm touching the muffler. It is stone cold. that's it. So again, it's a good machine, and just for perspective, my lawn is kind of tall. Hopefully you can see that. Here's where I cut versus not. So my grass is probably about 4 or 5 inches, and this thing worked just fine. You can also see that it is on a hill and there's no problem maneuvering it. So this machine is ready to go. So from now, all I'm going to do is clean it off, hose it off so it's nice and clean, and it is ready. All right. Hope you enjoyed and have a good day.